Like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
The latest COVID-19 case numbers from around the states and territories. Here is a quick wrap of each Australian jurisdiction's latest COVID-19 statistics for Sunday, May 1st. You can get a more detailed, visual breakdown through the ABC's Charting the Spread story here. This list will be updated throughout the day, so if you do not see your state or territory, please check back later. You can jump to the COVID-19 information you want to read by clicking below. Western Australia WA has recorded 5,551 new COVID cases. There are more than 43,000 known active cases across the state. 7 people are being treated in intensive care, with 221 people hospitalised in total. Victoria has recorded another 7 COVID-related deaths. There were 7,654 new cases across the state in the latest reporting period, bringing the number of active cases to 55,513. There are 437 people in Victorian hospitals after contracting COVID-19. Of those patients, 30 are in intensive care units and 3 are on ventilators. The state has recorded almost 3,000 COVID-related deaths since the first infection was detected in 2020. More than 67% of Victorian adults have had at least 3 doses of a COVID-19 vaccine. Tasmania has recorded 816 new COVID-19 cases and 1 new COVID-related death. 3 people are being treated in intensive care and, in total, 43 are in hospital. However, only 19 are being treated specifically for COVID-19 symptoms. The number of known active cases in the state has dropped slightly compared to yesterday, down from 6,322 to 6,289. Queensland has recorded 5,333 new cases of COVID-19. There are 446 people being treated for the virus in hospital, 14 of whom are in intensive care. Health authorities have not been notified of any COVID-related deaths in the latest reporting period. Northern Territory: 1 patient remains in intensive care with COVID-19 in the Northern Territory, with 50 people, in total, in hospital with the virus, a small increase on yesterday. The Territory has recorded 279 new cases, putting the number of known active cases at 2,807. Both the number of new cases recorded today and the number of active cases are down slightly compared to yesterday. New South Wales health authorities in New South Wales say another 5 people have died with COVID-19, a reduction from the 20 deaths recorded yesterday. There are 1,604 people in hospital with the virus, and 75 of them are requiring treatment in intensive care. The state has recorded 9,303 new cases, down from 11,709 yesterday. ACT: another 823 COVID-19 cases have been reported by health authorities in the Australian Capital Territory today. There are 69 people in hospital with COVID-19, 3 of whom are in intensive care. Chief Health Officer Kerryn Coleman says that, although symptom-free household contacts of COVID-19 cases do not need to quarantine anymore under eased restrictions, people who have been exposed to the virus should still consider whether they need to be out and about. I do hope that these changes will provide some relief to many workplaces and businesses that have been under pressure due to workforce shortages, Dr Coleman says. Also, being able to go outside for a walk should help those of us who may have struggled being stuck inside for that 7-day period.